Welcome, beloveds. Welcome to this third video in this series about love attraction essential oils. And if you haven't watched the first two videos, I encourage you to do so. And if you haven't seen my first video series in 2023, when I'm talking about prosperity consciousness, I invite you to watch that series of videos as well, as that series of videos encourage this one, because the information I'm sharing with you is from the same author of this book. So if you haven't already guessed it, the third essential oils in this 5-part series of love attraction essential oil is none other than rose essential oil. Okay, and to give you some highlights of it, rose essential oil is known to be have a fragrant nectar and has a hypnotic lure that is legendary. Okay. It frees the emotions, and just a single drop of rose oil can stimulate a transformative and lasting effect upon the human psyche. It takes about 30 roses to produce one drop of pure rose oil. I have some here with me. I have a sample bottle. I'll open it up here and absolutely amazing. Oh, smells divine. Historically, the rose has served as a symbol of love. Love is the energy that unites life and the greatest unifying power in the universe. And I couldn't agree more. I think that we can agree that more love can be put in and, is needed in the world. Okay. Rose oil has the power to awaken the human heart at its innermost core. Such potent magic has the ability to free the soul from sorrows and hurts. Okay. It has the ability to dissolve psychological and emotional pain, which makes it the first oil to choose for balancing and calming your mind and emotions, whether you are male or female. I think that's worth repeating. Rose oil has the ability to dissolve psychological and emotional pain, making it the first oil to choose for balancing and calming your mind and emotions, whether you are male or female. Okay. And of course, this information I'm sharing with you is educational and to empower you. It's not to be a substitute for anyone who's taking medications for any sort of psychological or emotional concerns. And last but not least, the scent of rose oil helps you to let go of past relationships and is especially helpful for those suffering from grief and loss. Those are some highlights for this essential oil. Of course, I'm going to share some therapeutic properties with you. Let's see. So rose essential oil is known to be antibacterial, antidepressant, antifungal, anti-inflammatory, antispasmodic, antiviral, an aphrodisiac, an astringent, stimulates and clears the mind and relieves headaches, stimulates bile production, promotes wound and scar healing. It cleanses and purifies the blood and intestinal organs. It helps regulate a woman's menstrual cycle. It's supportive to the liver. It relieves constipation. It's known to be a sedative and a tonic, strengthening and fortifying the heart, stomach, liver, and uterus. So the key body systems, this essential oil work with our nervous, circulatory, reproductive, digestive, immune, and integumentary, also known as the skin. Right above this information, sheet, which you'll have in the description as well for you to link to, is key emotions. So these are suggested key emotions that are, this essential oil is suggested to bring into your life or enhance in your life. So the key emotions are unconditional love, treasured, forgiveness, embraced, and inspired. So going to the first page of this informational sheet, we have some safety notes in the blue box, and you know I'm all about the safety. So the safety notes reads non-toxic, non-irritating, and non-sensitizing. It's non-phototoxic, and it's gentle enough for newborns. How wonderful is that? Below the blue box with the safety notes, you have a how do I use it box. And this box is a list of suggested ways you can use this essential oil, and it has the instructions on how to create the applications if you choose to do so. So it mentions you can use it in a tub, you know, mixing it with dead sea salts or powdered milk to create something for a bath. You can use it in the air by putting it in a diffuser, breathe it in and out, creating a safe, essential oil safe inhaler, or rubbing 1 to 2 drops in the palms of your hand and rubbing together and inhaling without touching your face. You can create a spritzer. I'm following these instructions right here, okay? Remembering to avoid misting in your face. You can rub it in using a carrier oil such as jojoba or grapeseed. And you can also put it on when they give you instructions here to create a roller bottle with this oil. Above the how do I use it box, you have your tried and true uses. And above that, you have some introductory information in regards to this essential oil. And you will note, just like in the previous video, in part 2, this says rose 10%. Well, essential oils with a percentage after them means that they've been diluted with a carrier oil. So it's not just all oil. They've been mixed with a carrier oil. And typically you find this with more expensive essential oils, okay? I'm going to stop sharing my screen here. So that's the information I have for you today about rose essential oil. I hope you found this information useful. If you have, considering liking the video or commenting about this essential oil, any essential oil that you've had experience with, or if you have questions in regards to this essential oil. And as always, it's a pleasure to serve you, and I thank you for watching. So until next time, God bless you, and I love you. Bye-bye now. Thank you, beloveds, for watching. If you've subscribed to my channel or liked this video or shared it with anyone you think may be interested, I am truly thankful for you. And don't forget to turn on that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. Again, I thank you. God bless you, and I love you.